Horses, another common issue that they have is they'll get injured, whether that's caught on, you know, a fence post or any sort of debris in the pasture. Sometimes they can, I swear, they could get hurt in a padded room. And so if we get abrasions or cuts or punctures, it's important to have a couple of different items on hand to try to treat that, and then to have on hand after your vet comes to examine the area. So these are just some of the items that I keep in my kit. There are lots of different name brand and generic options that you can find just by looking at the different ingredients and what you need. So the first thing that we have is wound dust, and this can be used as a blood stop and also to cover wounds that might be weeping or oozing or anything and help dry up the area. The next one is used as an antiseptic. It's all natural with like tea tree oil and menthol. And it can be used on hooves as well as minor scrapes and bumps to just heal the area. Antiseptic sudsing skin cleaner, so it's betadine. It's used for a surgical scrub, and you can also use it for like fungal infections and things as well. But you do want to make sure that you talk to your vet before you use it specifically, because it can cause irritation. Another thing I like to keep on hand is gentle iodine. But you can mix this with water and use it as a cleansing and disinfectant to a wound. I also have hydrogen peroxide spray. This can be used to help clean a wound out, especially if there's debris in the wound. Next one is something called Blue Coat, and this is actually versatile germicide and fungicide that is in a spray that you can apply to surface wounds and also like hoof wounds and also ringworm. Petroleum jelly. This can be used to protect injuries as well as to put underneath injuries that might be oozing or weeping to help protect the hair. Our last one is New Stock, which is just a general ointment for wound care. You can also use it over cuts and burns as well.